Sir, pero you were a former chief PNP. And the same as Senator Bato de la Rosa, he was also a former chief PNP. We both know that he is an operator. Operator po siya eh. We both know na galing siya ng intelligence, counterintelligence. So he would know how the PNP moves. He would know how the NBI moves. So do you think what happened during the Senate shooting incident was already planned? Would you think that nagagamit niya ngayon yung pagka-PNP niya in evading arrest, sir?
Well, definitely, he has the knowledge. Kasi kung ayaw niya magpa-aresto, he will use all his tricks in the bag. At ang lahat ng kanyang mga skills previously learned and used during his active years for his own advantage. Kaya kailangan, kung paplano ang government agencies, kung implement talaga, honest to goodness ang warrant, eh talagang kasama na sa environmental skull niyan. Profiling ng target. Target analysis yan eh. So, dapat na-assess na kung ano ang pwede niyang magawa at gagawin doon sa ating mga assumptions so that we can act accordingly and plan accordingly and prepare the force, most importantly, prepare the force and tactics accordingly.
So you are definitely saying, sir, na you wouldn't underestimate Senator Bato on this matter. If you were the tracking team, you wouldn't underestimate him po.
Of course, hindi mo talaga pwedeng underestimate yan. Senator Bato is a professional.